Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Soul LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full-width storage and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.